Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you that division of two numbers in Python ideally. So division of two numbers, that means we require two numbers. So first we will take two numbers d underscore 1 equal to 34. Any two numbers, first you will be take, press the enter key, then d underscore 3 equal to 87. Now division, two numbers I have taken already, now we have to divide it. So d equal to, you will write anyone, d underscore 1 divide d underscore 3, otherwise d underscore 3 divide d underscore 1. That one also you can write. So process is done. Now we will call to the print command for display this division. So print quotation on division of two numbers equal to, close the quotation, then comma d. So this line is for print command is for display, and first line for question. So hashtag, use it, and then write division of two numbers. Now done. So first we will save it through the file menu. Also you can go to the save as options and you can save it like this also you can do. Otherwise through the run command menu we will call to the run module, then also first you will be saving. So first you create one folder, and that place whatever programs you are solving, that one place you only the save it. Just like I have created the folder, Python folder, and this places I am saving every Python program. Now it is P4. This is division, div. And see, look at here, already written as Python files. If has not written, then you have to put it the extension file of Python .py in the small letter, then save it, then you will get it to the answer. Same things if you will do, just I'm crossing that and right here just like d equal to d1 slash d3, that means first number divided by second number we have done. Next write down d1 equal to d underscore 3 slash d underscore 1. If we have done this one and call to the print command, print, then division of two numbers, put it the comma d1. If we will do like this also, then we will get different answer. Run module, press the OK button, and now you will see both the answer is different, because first one we have done division 1, that is first number divided by second number, second one second number divided by first number. So in the interactive mode also you can do directly, write down here first numbers you will take, then press the enter key, second numbers you will be take, and then afterwards you will be divided. Thank you very much for watching this video.